I was like kind of telling her how it's super expensive to go to clinicals when they don't really pay you to go to them, and it's hard working a ton during school. And so she told me about gas cards and was able to get me a gas card, and that helped me tremendously.
We are a center where students can pop in or make an appointment and come visit us if they're experiencing any financial hardships or any emergency situations.
Walk in, say hi to our friendly staff, check out the cupboard, get on one of our calendars.
And hopefully we can connect them to a community resource or a campus resource, or just ask a simple question and maybe find out something that's gonna make their life a little easier and take some burdens off of their shoulders.
I had trouble trying to find my own health care, like getting into that in a way, because I never learned, you don't learn about that stuff in school. Mainly the thing I've used was Sawyer Kleeman. She made it super easy. She's so open and easy to talk to and kind. It's really obvious that she likes to help people and she's good at what she does. Like health insurance, like needing to find that, she sort of talked me through that process and it went really smoothly and I was able to get it. And so she told me about gas cards and was able to get me a gas card. And then Food Chair, she was telling me about that, like if you need it and where to go, and she'll just help you set that up.
Something that's really unique about the Basic Needs Center is that I'm housed under counseling and case management and Jen is in financial aid. They might come in with one concern, but we're digging to see what else is going on to look at the whole picture. We really like to provide that holistic support.
We have walk-in hours and a student can pop in and just ask a question. They can schedule an appointment with us. We still have the student resource request so they can enter in their concern, their information online, and we'll reach out and make an appointment. We're also home to the Cavalier Cupboard, so they can stop in and get some food if they're signed up for the pantry.
That helps my education because it makes me a lot less stressed out about how things are going in my life, because that alone is going to stress you out. It made it a lot easier for me to focus on my studies and have time for my studies.
I think it's great that we're in the Learning Commons because it's a place that a lot of students utilize, and that means that students are going to walk in and see, oh hey, there's the Basic Needs Center. What's a basic need? How can you help me?
When you grow up with not a lot of, I'd say, resources, or when it's hard for you to ask for things by yourself, it makes it hard for you to think that you can go to college and do these things. But when you have all of these resources and people that want to help you and push you, just like Sawyer and my teachers and my fiance and his family, it just makes your dreams really come true.